We're at the workshop and we are going to be doing a smoke test to see if there are any leaks within the system. For anyone that doesn't know what a smoke machine is, it's a really simple device. Basically, it houses baby oil, yes, baby oil, in the tank, and then that somehow creates smoke. On the other end of the smoke machine is a cone which simply slides into the intake system and blocks off anything then being able to come back out, and that will push smoke around the intake to see if there are any leaks. While the smoke machine is pushing its smoke around the system, I'd like to ask for your support with the channel. Currently, 86% of you are not subscribed to my channel, which means you're going to be missing out on my latest content and you're not going to know when my new videos are coming out. I really enjoy making this content and I hope you really enjoy it too. Could I please ask, if you haven't subscribed, to subscribe to my channel? My first goal is to try and get to 1,000 subscribers. I've still got a little way to go. However, with your support, I can make this channel bigger and better. Please smash that subscribe button and please remember to hit the notification bell so you know when all my new videos go live. In reality, while this is only 2 minutes long, this section of the video, the whole process did take about 20 minutes, and it was just a fact of regular check-in to see if we could see anywhere where smoke may be coming from. If you don't want to watch this bit and find it a little bit boring, you can skip to 2 minutes 40, which is where we get the results. There doesn't look to be any obvious leaks, as you can see, as when we pulled the oil cap off, the smoke started pouring out, which would suggest it's a tight system. System checked, all clear, no leaks on the air system, so hopefully it's just a massive build-up of carbon. I'm under the transit at the workshop. Smoke test is clear. However, they have offered to change the reverse switch sensor for me, which is what they're doing now. Now, unfortunately, I can't get the camera under there to be able to see it. Well, that looks completely different.
It is completely different.
Oh, well, that's fucked. It did say on there 2009.
Yeah, I just saw the intercooler. It says 2012, but this came from the old one without the sensor. So they make.
I'm under the transit. They kindly wanted to replace the sensor. Sensor was already.
Does it just need a good clean?
No, I don't think it's going to be need good clean. Probably inside the connection. So.
I'm already sorry. I can clean it for you. Free of charge.
Oh, cheers, thanks.
But I do not. I'm saying.
Bad news. It's the wrong one. It doesn't fit. Back to square one. I'll have to go back on the internet and see if I can find another one. Okay, we didn't have one. Now we have one. It's just been fitted. Unfortunately, there wasn't enough room for me, him, and the camera under there. So it's been fitted. Moment of truth. Is it going to work or not? Let's find out. No, don't work. It's really both of them will go well, isn't it? Hey? Back to the drawing board. It's a couple of days later and I've gone away and I've re-looked over everything, and lo and behold, they are now working. You will not believe what the issue was. Let me show you. After checking everything over again, I noticed this fuse was missing. This was the reason it wasn't working. The minute I put one in, reversing lights started working. How much of a pain in the arse and schoolboy error is that? Now, if that's not worth a subscribe, I don't know what is. So, as always, if you are enjoying the content, please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you like, and if you've got anything to say, let me know in the comments below. I'll catch you in the next video.